This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing a Roblox pin if you have forgotten it. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, these steps will help you reset your PIN and regain access to your account. So let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, tap on it to open the app. After you open the Roblox app, make sure your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. While we're in the Roblox tab, tap on the More tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. While we're in the More tab, scroll down until you locate the Help and Safety tab. After you locate the Help and Safety tab, tap on it to open the tab. While we're in the Help and Safety tab, tap on the Help tab. Now you're in the Help tab. Type in the search bar PIN. The option appears. As you can see in the video, in the account settings section, just tap on the I forgot the PIN option. The I forgot the PIN option appears. Just tap on the contact form button so that we can proceed to the next step. It will directly lead you to the form that needs to be filled out. And you need to fill out the form, especially with device you use, the help category, and the description of the issue. Remember to keep your new PIN safe and consider writing it down in a secure place. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. Enjoy your time on Roblox!